Hey y'all, so I got this power bank I did a previous video about, and seems to not be working. Like if I plug it into the outlet to charge it up, the blue light automatically goes on. If I plug it into my phone, nothing happens. So it means it's not charging, something's not switching somewhere. Anyway, I figure it's just DOA or no good anymore, so what I'm going to do is just take it apart, see what's inside. Maybe we could fix something, I doubt it, but we're going to take a look anyway. So this was a freebie from the Hard Rock Cafe years ago. It was a 2200 milliamp hour. I did a previous video how to use it. Let's go ahead and try to take it apart. So first we're going to have to look for a way in. Alright, this looks like it's not flat, so maybe this part comes up. So we're going to probe it with our little pick here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. We got 4 screws inside. Bingo. Let's see if this is big enough, small enough. I don't know. Yeah, it's working. Let's get these screws out of here. I wonder what's inside. Is it one 8650 battery? Is this whole thing a battery? I tend to think it's probably an 8650 inside, but we're going to find out. Hopefully we're going to find out. Just because we can get these screws out doesn't mean we're going to get it apart now, does it? Once this screw stripped, looks like we got a strip screw already. And we just got started. I didn't even strip it. So, I wonder if that was from the factory like that. See if we got a bit smaller Phillips head. Let's try this. Let's try this Phillips head. It's a little smaller, it looks like. Ah, yes, here it comes. Wait, I don't have to put it back together, eh? Oh, I thought it was coming. Wait till it fall out. Damn it, it's stripped. Oh well. Let's just try to get this open. What the hell we got there? Oh, look at that. Alright, what I'm going to do is pry this up. Stick something under it. Like a thumbnail. Try and get that screw to move. This is what you get when you buy crap. Yeah, we'll take care of that right now. Alright. Looking deep inside there. I think I see a battery in there. It looks like this whole unit might slide right out. And it looks like this screw might be in the way, but it looks like it'll get right out of the way too. Let me put my other bit back in. Nope. Let me get my needle nose. wants to pull out. Nothing stopping it so far, not that I could see. Let me get my heavier needle nose. Maybe just because I'm pulling on it crooked. There we go. Oh boy. That wasn't good. I ripped it right off the battery. Okay. Looks like there's some. This is a plastic insert to hold it together after the battery was put in. So let's get a little flat screwdriver and get that out, or maybe even our poker could get it out, and the battery might come out. Oh. Looks like our little screw here is being the bugger. Stabbed myself already. There we go. Oh, just fell out the back. My bad. Pulled the wrong way and ruined it. Okay, so now you know it comes out the back. So what do we have here? We have one of these purple 8650s, it looks like. Let's see if they have a milliamp hour rating on it. It's a DHP 16H06. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Anyway, it has a number on it and the barcode, but really no rating. See where I stabbed myself? I wiped that on my pants. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to salvage this battery for a battery, and then I'm going to stick it in my charger, and we're going to see what it really is rated at. So let's get rid of this tape. Get rid of this, so I don't care about this friggin' thing. What do I need a power bank for, right? Alright, that came off easy. Piece of crap. This one, let's see if this comes off as easy. Yep. Done. And we're just going to leave everything else the way it is. I'm going to smooth out this piece here that didn't come off, or try to take it off. I suppose most power banks are made of 86, 83 650s or whatever the hell they are. I kind of knew this one was in here, but I didn't until I opened it up. As far as the charging is concerned, I ain't too worried about it. You never could see that friggin' blue LED that was hidden behind the plug, and then now it doesn't work all of a sudden, so go figure. It's a little piece of crap. Let's see, has a number on it, STK Z057V1. Alright, so let's plug this into the battery charger over here. Since I already got it plugged in, let's take one of these out. Put this one in. Seems like it's almost fully charged at 4.05 volts, and you know, like I said, it wouldn't even light up my battery to say I plugged something into it, so I'm not sorry I took it apart, that's for sure. I'm sorry I didn't take it apart right. That's another thing. Yeah, this could actually be used for a nice little stash. Put it back together. Put the top back on right. You can You can use this for a little stash, huh? Everybody would think it was a power bank, except you. Not bad. I like it. It's a little piece of aluminum. Okay. So we're going to let that battery charge up. It's at 4.07 volts. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop the video here. There's no need for me to tell you what the milliamp hour of this battery is. I'll do that in the description. Maybe leave an affiliate link for something you might want to buy. You help me out a little bit. And thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so I put it on charge test on my thing. So what it's going to do is charge it all the way up. It's going to discharge it all the way back down. Then it's going to charge it up again for me. And in the meantime of all that, it'll tell me the milliamp hours, and I'll post that in the description below. Again, thanks for watching.